anything.
I was here for the headlight bulbs to do the headlight bulbs.
Oh.
Now you're telling me.
We can do headlights, but the bulbs themselves, I don't have.
Byron doesn't want to look at it?
So that's actually pointless to do them.
Byron, you don't want to look at my mask?
Look at your what?
Just go look at his fucking mask. Don't film it. Hold on. They came from like that in top left. Like, where the fuck is? Yeah, Oysterzarziow.
I don't know.
I have no idea where that is, but here they are, so you can see them.
Damn.
They're
boy.
thicker than OEM. That's
Damn, boy, he's thick.
so OEM's like about half this thickness. So what the people do is they'll get the OEMs for $50, and then they'll just like silicone them. Apparently, like they'll put like a light layer of silicone so that they seal better. But apparently, people say just go to Home Depot, buy foam this thick, and cut it out the right way. This guy did it for 35, I think 40 shipped or something like that. And I was like, you know what? Don't have to worry about it, and it arrived pretty quickly. I don't know if it's an 8 or 9 mil, but the headlights are held in by not 10 mil, which is. You know the rule, you can't move the dogs. No, it's like an 8 mil. Oh, no, okay, he moved himself. All right, sweet. Yeah, it's an 8 mil. Who the fuck uses 8 mil? Cloud. Oh my god, you fucking serious?
What?
It won't fit. There we go. Because this thing has like that nub. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Byron's Garage. This is all of a sudden, we're refilming it because the first footage looked absolutely trash tier garbage. Or that's what my videographer said.
It was.
It wasn't that bad. The sun was like blaring or something. I don't know. I don't understand physics. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and redo the rear lights on this badass vehicle. Redo one of the lights because we did the other one. Now, this fine automobile has these seals on the back that let water in if you don't replace them. And they're really expensive, so we bought thicker ones than normal because why not? So the seal, which is right here, is about double the thickness of the old one. Where is the old one? Oh, there it is. So, as you see, this is the one we replaced. And you can tell, like, just on sealing surface, a lot thicker. The headlight is back together, I believe. I don't remember. I think I have to put the rest of it together. And then we got to take this bad boy out. So we're going to film that right now. Cue the really corny intro. You know the intro I'm talking about? That corny intro? Like, that they always do. Like it's just a bunch of hammering and, like, rock music. And it's just really corny, really bad shit. And it goes... Well, like, stay right there. It's like, hey guys, welcome back to dipshit whatever. They say like the name of the fucking channel, and they're like, we're gonna do something fantastic, but they don't put funny edits. It's just all seriousness. We're going to put a transmission in my car. That's kind of
what we just did, though.
Yeah, but it wasn't like as funny. Back to Byron's Garage. Today we're gonna be. Oh, the camera's over here. Oh, okay, sorry, because we have like 6 cameras. Today we're going to work on the Honda Civic. See, the Honda Civic is a 1996 Honda Civic. What is that?
Hey, look at that. It's open.
You like rushed over, like,
hey,
ooh, content. Content.
Didn't get to see that last time because of all the sun. Well, now your fucking fat hand is in
I'm
place.
trying to get the things. What do you want to go? Film.
There we go.
Film.
Alright, come on, let's go.
I'm going to throw this thing at you.
Hey.
This isn't as bad as the other one, but look at how crusty it is. These things are like $60 from the dealer. It's like $50-$60.
Crusty.
Look how crusty. It is crusty. Well, you wouldn't call it. What would you call this?
No, I'm saying it is. It is. I'm just
It's like scald.
Oh,
look at the scald. Why would you break it? I need to use this again.
Really?
No, why the fuck? I'm not using that. I'm not an idiot. All right, now it's installed. Now we're good to go. Now we do the reverse of the install.
No.
Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it.
Do you want me to hold pressure?
I got it. In. We're good. So once I get that one and this one, we'll tighten them a bit, and then we'll get the last one on. Because that's what happened. I put this one in first, and it wasn't on all the way, you know.
Mm.
Yeah, same thing on this. So the light doesn't like on this corner. It's like not that big of a deal though. I'd rather have it not leak water than it like look like it's factory. Honestly, this car looking factory. I don't want to rip this off. Can I rip this entire thing off? Hold on. Alright. Oh man, that's gonna come off so nice. Without leaving any residue like the window did.
So you're gonna pull it out? Oh!
Smell that shit.
Nah. Oh.
Yeah, right? You smelled it?
Yeah.
It's like burnt plastic. Like this is like some eBay tint. Like I ain't live like that, dude. I want people to see me, bro. You gotta see me in it.
Oh, the smell is...
You smell it, right?
Yeah.
That's not
it's like
indecent.
it doesn't stop.
Oh, why did I do this now?
Oh my god.
Oh my. Hey guys, I'm still here. It's been 78 years. The channel's dead. And I'm still trying to tighten this bolt on the bottom left corner of this headlight. Add an age filter on my face, you know, make it look like I'm old. Or make it look old-timey.
Sure.
Like a sepia, you know, sepia? Is it sepia?
Sepia?
Sepia. Sepia.
But you sure?
Yeah, make a sepia filter and like the grain, like an old film.
Yeah.
And then like put like at the bottom like the date, but put it like 4/26/9. I'm driving dirty, baby. We got to figure out what to do with this because this engine is complete trash. Like, honestly, I'm surprised it's even working. The throttle cable keeps sticking. It looks like it's burnt too here. I don't want to buy a new one. They're really fucking worthless. And installing it's a bitch. So I think I'm just gonna tighten that up just to fix that issue, and then we should be good. Because I mean, honestly, we have to think about the longevity of the car and like where we're gonna go with it, you know?
Right.
This is dangerous. I don't know why I did that. All fun, da 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 dun. Oh, global warming, just heat up the earth, la 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 la, until the ice age is overflowing.